Hello beautiful people, welcome to Closet Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today we are talking about Target's newly launched designer dress collection with Christopher John Rogers, Alexis, and XOXO. Guys, I have some stunning pieces to share with you guys today. So I picked up, I think, 6 dresses from the Christopher John Rogers collection, 1 dress from Alexis, and I'll show you my favorite pieces from XOXO because, you know, your girl is balling on a budget, so I couldn't get everything. So I'm not going to over talk it. I'm just going to jump right into the dresses and show you guys what I got, share my thoughts. But just be warned, these pieces are extra. Like, Target pulled no punches. I know the world is opening back up after this personal pan pizza that we've been in for the past year. But even still, I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to be wearing these outfits, but I'll find someplace. So without further ado, let's get into the dresses. We are kicking this video off with my absolute favorite piece from the entire collection, and it is this gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, cheerful, bright orange dress with the floral print from Christopher John Rogers. I just feel so happy in this dress. I love it. I love everything about it. So in terms of sizing, the sizing in this collection was a little bit weird to me. So I typically am between a 14 and a 16. So everything in this collection, I took a 16 or an extra large in, but they have the 16 regular size and then the 16W/18W in the plus size. So this dress is a 16/18 in the extended sizing, and it's a bit big on me. So the bust fits perfectly. You know, your girl has a large bust. So this fits great, but the waist is huge on me. But luckily it comes with this belt. I have it on the very last loop, and it still actually has room to be cinched on me. But I'm not mad at it. And I love the extra fabric in the bottom portion, the skirt portion of this dress. I think it just drapes and flows beautifully, makes the dress look a lot more expensive than what it is. And I am in love with it. I cannot wait to wear this dress out. It has these beautiful voluminous sleeves. Like if I extend my arm here, you can kind of get the full picture. And best of all, it has pockets. You know your girl can't resist a dress with pockets. So yeah, I'm so pleased with this dress. If you can get your hands on it, even if you have to go the secondary market route like Poshmark or eBay, I would highly recommend it. This is such a quality, well-made piece. Like, you can't beat the price at all, and I just think it's stunning. I think it's a classic. I think it's the one that I could have in my wardrobe for years to come, and most importantly, it makes me happy. Alright peeps, so this next dress, I kind of love it and I kind of hate it. So I'm really curious to hear your thoughts about it. So yeah, let's talk about it. Let's talk about this dress. So first of all, the good things. I think the cut of this dress is amazing. I love it. I think it's so flattering. This square neckline, the ampere waist, these dramatic like poofy sleeves, and then we have this cuff with what, 5 buttons. It's fantastic. I love it. I actually put this on and I got sidetracked. I was texting on the couch, and it's so comfortable that literally I put my feet up and like 30 minutes later, I didn't even realize I was still wearing it. So that definitely gives it a plus in my book. However, this pattern, I don't know. I mean, if I were in the market for a neon green polka dot striped maxi dress, this will be the one. However, I don't know if your girl is necessarily in the market for a neon green polka dot striped maxi dress. So that's that. I feel like if the dress were sleeveless and everything were the same, I could pull it off. Or if this had the sleeves and it were maybe shorter, I could pull it off. Or if it were exactly the same but just a solid color or maybe a more subdued polka dot and striped, I could pull it off. But all three, I mean, even for your girl, you know, I have no problem looking dramatic or even slightly ridiculous living in New York City, but this one, I don't know if I can really do this. It's giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. Like if I had a masquerade ball to go to, this will be the one. This will be the ticket. So that being said, I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments. Let's have a little dialogue about it. Have a little back and forth. Is this absurd? And is that a bad thing? So I don't know. I just don't know. Okay guys, so another dress I'm gonna need your help on. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's a very pretty dress, but I'm unsure about whether or not I should keep it because I just don't know if I'm gonna wear it. Like if I were still going to the office or doing events and whatnot like I used to, I would definitely hang on to this one because I think this is just such a stunning statement making piece and it's so well made. Like I love it. The quality on these pieces are so good, especially for the price point, especially for Target. I love this, like, also too kind of like Alice in Wonderland vibes, not gonna lie. But I love this like two different patterns here and it continues on the back the same way. Ooh, speaking of the back, let me show you the back detail. So this is a 16W, 18W. So it's a bit big in the waist. So that's another reason why I'm leaning towards returning it because I would definitely need to have this altered, taken in the waist, and especially when you see the back, you'll see what I'm talking about. So here's the back of the dress, and as you can see, it has this cutout and then a tie here. I'm just wearing my regular bra and it covers it pretty well. I might have to like tack it in place with a safety pin. But this part right here, it's very loose on me. So that's what I would have to take to a tailor and have that taken in. Otherwise, it would just gap too much for my comfort back here. But I think this is so cute. But sure, how often I would wear this. Like this is a lot of dress. Like it's a lot of fabric. We're approaching like the summer months and it's going to be so hot and humid, and since I'm not going to be in somebody's office with the air conditioning blasting, I just don't know if this would be practical for me. So again, let's discuss, let's talk about it, the pros and cons of Kendra keeping this dress. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. Also, aren't these shoes perfect? Like these are like the perfect shoe. Like these were made for this dress. These are Stuart Weitzman and I got like years and years ago. I almost feel like because these shoes go so perfectly, I should almost just keep that dress just because of that fact. That makes sense to me in my head. I don't know if it makes sense to you, but there you have it. Alright peeps, so I debated whether or not I should even try on this dress because number one, it doesn't fit. It's too small. But more importantly, it is absolutely absurd. It's outlandish. Like, I think this might be the most ridiculous thing that I've ever tried on before. And I've shown you guys some weird stuff. Yeah. So here we have it, guys. Yeah. So in my defense, it did not look like this on the model, on the website. I actually almost didn't get this dress because I thought it was too like plain compared to the other pieces. The way they showed it on the model, I did not know that it poofed out so much. So this is a 16 regular and it's like way too tight in the bust area for me. Like I have it safety pinned so I don't bust out, but look at this from the side. Look. No, your girl does not have that much junk in the trunk. There's some sort of like, what do you call it, like bustle or crinoline fabric inside of this dress to make it poof out like this, and it goes all the way around. Let me show you. So, you know, your girl has a little bit of junk in the trunk, but like not like that. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Oh yeah, even my poor husband, who usually will indulge my antics, like he literally looked at me, came down the hallway, turned back around, went around the corner, and burst out laughing because this is so strange. Okay, so I think that if you are someone with a very straight figure with no curves at all, and you like things that are very dramatic, maybe you could pull this off. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a no for your girl. Like, I'm not even, I don't know what to say about this. I'm like almost tempted to keep it just because it looks so ridiculous, but no, this is going back. So when I first put this dress on, I thought I was gonna have to return it, but once I added this belt, I felt like it completely transformed this dress, and now I love it. It's one of my favorites, so definitely keeping this one. It is so fun. I don't have nearly enough orange in my closet, or yellow, and this one has both, so 2 for 1. For those days when you just can't decide which citrus fruit you want to channel, this one is perfect. So I absolutely love this little ruffle collar, or this big ruffle collar. I think it's so dramatic and classy, and I just love this two-tone print. It has pockets, it's like the perfect length, and I absolutely love this dress. I think it would be so cute with like a little straw hat. Unfortunately today I did not want to sacrifice the puff, but I will style this up completely for you at some point. But isn't she just stunning? So this one I got in the 1X because all of the regular sizes were sold out, but I definitely think I could have easily worn an extra large, if not a large even. So I'm still gonna keep a lookout, because definitely if I take this belt off, it's like very voluminous. But like I said, the extra fabric I feel just makes the dress pop even more and makes it look even more expensive. So I am in love with this dress. I think it's so fun. It's so unique and different. Like, this is definitely like a head turner. Maybe not for everyone, but right up your girl's alley, and I love it. Alright peeps, so this next dress is an absolute stunner, and it fits like a glove. Like, I love the way it just hugs my curves, but then just flows beautifully over the hips. That being said, I think I'm going to return it. But why? I think that it is very similar to that orange dress, and I just absolutely love that dress so much. And I think I would definitely lean toward wearing that one more often. This one, I don't know, I feel like the collar and the buttons on the orange dress make it a bit more casual, like more of a day dress. This one, I feel, I don't think I would have an occasion to wear this, unfortunately, sadly. Your girl's social calendar is not looking too full these days, so I don't think that beyond photo shoots that I would actually wear this one, which is sad. It's unfortunate because it's a beautiful dress, but yeah, I'm just not going to reach for it. I know it. I can just feel it in my bones. I think that maybe if it didn't have these sleeves, like if it was sleeveless, I would definitely keep it, or even if it was shorter, which could be a possibility. Like, I could shorten it, but no, I have plenty of dresses. So yes, this one I will be returning. But if you think that this is one that you would wear, like, I think this would be perfect for maybe like a summer evening wedding. Oh, this would be gorgeous to wear. It has pockets, which, you know, we love. And this one I got in the regular 16, so the straight sizes, and it fits me very well. The first two dresses I showed you were from the plus size section, and those were both like very loose on me. but you know, not too big. So I would say I'm between sizes on this one. In any case, love this dress. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. I don't know if you can convince me to keep it. No, I don't need to be convinced into anything. This one is going back, but it is nice to show you guys. It's a very beautiful dress, very pretty. If you can pick it up, I highly recommend it, especially if you have an occasion to wear it. But sadly, I do not. So this last dress I actually got as an afterthought because, to be honest, I was mostly interested in the Christopher John Rogers pieces. So this dress is by Alexis and I actually really like it. So it is this beautiful satin finish blue, cobalt blue floral dress. I love this color. I think it's so pretty and I love this satiny detail. I feel like this would be perfect for a night out on the town or like a nice little summer dinner outdoors. Oh, I think it's so cute and flirty. I just paired it with these little Zara slide sandals just to keep it cute and casual. And I love this little braided belt detail. It reminds me of that dress from Rode that I got recently. I think I shared with you guys a few hauls back. But this is at a much more wallet-friendly price point, and I just think this is such a great like casual dress to throw on. It comes in another print as well, but I'm just really partial to this like cobalt blue. I think it's absolutely stunning. And yeah, it's just a very sweet dress. So with that being said, we must bring this haul to a close. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Like I said, I am so in love and impressed with this collection. Christopher John Rogers did his thing. Oh my goodness, these pieces are stunning. Would love to know down in the comments your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite was. And if you guys got anything, would love to hear about it. And I'm still on the fence about that green dress and the black and white ones. So let me know. I'm not sure if I can pull those off. But this one I'm definitely keeping, and also to that orange and yellow dress with the ruffle collar. Those are gonna stay in my wardrobe for sure. So that brings us to a close. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, listening to me talk about clothes. I love making these videos and I appreciate you guys so much for watching my little corner of YouTube. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle weekly, sometimes twice. And until next time, stay classy and stay fabulous. I mean, maybe if you wanted to look like you were pregnant in the front and the back and the side for some reason. Oh my gosh. No.